How many times did Brazil win the World Cup?
Brazil has won the World Cup 5 times.
Okay, can you take that result, multiply by 10, and change the position of the server?
I moved the servo motor to position 50.
I've been working on experimental ESP32 voice assistant project for a while. If you go on YouTube or Google, we will find some similar projects. Most of them use the 11 Labs API or the OpenAI real-time API. Unfortunately, these APIs are quite expensive. So I started looking for cheaper and self-host alternatives that could also run on CPU. Let me explain each of them. Faster Whisper. It's a C++ implementation of OpenAI Whisper. It's optimized to run on CPU and can transcribe audio in real time with very low latency. Piper. Piper is an open source text-to-speech system. It's also optimized for CPU and can generate high-quality audio with low latency. Gemini API. The Gemini API will not run locally. I chose it because it has free tier and also supports function calling, which I will explain later in that video. For this experiment, I will also use an ESP32S3, an I2S microphone, a servo motor, and a DAC. Let me show you what the project architecture looks like. Here's how the system works. When I speak into the microphone, the ESP32 captures the audio, compresses it into MP3 and sends it to the server. The server uses Faster Whisper to convert the audio into text, sends that text to Gemini API for processing, and then converts the Gemini response back into the audio using Piper. The server sends the generate audio file back to the ESP32 through a WebSocket, and the ESP32 plays it using the DAC. One of my goals was to make it run on CPU, so I will use Google Cloud Shell, which provides a free Linux instance with 15 GB of RAM and 4 CPU cores.
Finally, it's time to test it.
Let's start the server using Docker and split the terminal using tmux to monitor the CPU and RAM usage in real time with HTOP. So it's blue, so it's in idle mode. Here's the CPU, almost 0. Let's start it. Hey, how are you today?
I am functioning optimally. Thank you for asking.
Do you think you can talk about music?
Yes, I can talk about music.
Oh, that's so good. So, can you tell me your favorite band?
As an AI, I do not have personal favorites, including musical bands.
Not bad, right? By the way, I created a GitHub repository with AI projects that run well on CPU. The link is in the description. There are many amazing AI projects that don't require a GPU. What about the servo motor? How can I ask the AI to move it? Gemini includes a feature called function calling. With function calling, you can define specific actions that the AI can execute. Take a look at how the function to move the server is defined. Let's test the function calling. Hey, can you move the server to position 25?
The servo motor has been moved to position 25.
Okay, can you move to position 0?
The servo motor has been moved to position 0.